All right, people, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. My company is Black Series Edition LLC. I am showing a small demonstration of this is a concrete wall. This is coated with our dedicated black Cinemax. This is our spray on or roll on screen paint application. This was actually sprayed on due to the fact that the wall was a bit of a rough textured surface, so it did require for me to spray it on. Now, I do advise, if you are doing concrete walls, that I would advise you to basically make sure you fill in all the putties and holes and everything, and just basically spray over it with the technology, and then you're good. But in here, I'm using this wall for a projector mapping application, so we're not really going to be doing movies off of it. You know, this is when I finish the screen on this side, I'll be doing that application. But I wanted to get this wall all black and coated because I'm going to be using it for projector mapping applications. So this is showing you how amazing our technology is. Now, we do have an upgrade version of this. It's called an Alpha Cinemax. It's not going to be available. It's going to be available soon, but not right now. I still have a few things I want to do with it first. I haven't done any videos in this place here yet due to the fact that I'm working on this place. I'm actually turning this into my shop area so I could basically work in here, and then I'm actually going to be picking me up another place for the screens we're going to be doing in 2024. We're not going to be doing too many screen paints in 2024. It's mainly going to be all like physical screens, wallpaper screens, and customized inflatable screens. And we have our front and rear screens we're going to be bringing out pretty soon. So that's what that's going to be for. But right now, screen paints. The only screen paint we're going to upgrade is we're going to be converting the upgrade for the dedicated black Cinemax, and also for the gunmetal, which is going to be upgraded to something called Imperial gunmetal. So it's going to be pretty cool showing up those tests. But hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Some short updates real quick. I'm just showing you my concrete wall. This is in my setup I have over here, and to show you how amazing our technology looks. No matter where I lay my head at the end of the day, our technology always looks absolutely incredible. Well, gotta go. Thank you all for your time, and God bless.